That's the magic.
Bourbon biscuits, 2 packets. Grind in mixer. Remove in a bowl. Butter, 3 tablespoons mixed properly. Set in a dish. In a saucepan take milk, 2 cups. Fresh cream, ½ cup. Sugar, ½ cup. Corn flour, 1/4 cup, diluted in milk. Vanilla essence, ½ teaspoon. Mix it well. Put it on low flame. Stir continuously till it thickens. Pour on biscuit mixture. Keep it in the refrigerator for 2 hours. For Dalgona instant coffee, 2 tablespoons sugar, 2 tablespoons hot water, 2 tablespoons. Beat it till you get stiff peak. You can use manual whisk. Custard is set after 2 hours. Lay Dalgona coffee mixture on it. Show your creativity to decorate it. Set in refrigerator to chill for 4 hours. Scrumptious Dalgona biscuit pudding is ready.